Hello everyone. Today's video brings you the content, KT200 ECU Programmer Unboxing video. This is the carton packaging of the KT200, so let's see what's inside. This is the master of KT200 ECU Programmer, which is OBD interface. BDM, JTAG interface. The other side is the USB interface and the power port. The quality of the KT200 is very good. This black box is the bench box, which is used for the data you need to read and write the ECU via bench mode. We see that the transparent boxes are filled with replaceable accessories. This is the OBD wires. And this is the interface on both sides of it. This is the OBD wires for trucks. USB cable. This is the pinout line, which is used for the connection between the ECU and the master. Finally, this is the charger. For more information on the KT200 ECU Programmer, please visit www.vxdos.com. You can also join our Facebook group through the link in the comment section to communicate with us more. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe and I like. Welcome to express your opinion in the comment area.